Hello, welcome to the Linq Web Portal Overview. Open the Linq Web portal using your web browser. If you're not sure of the URL, contact your administrator. First, you will see the login screen. Enter your work email and click Next. You will then be asked to enter your password and then log in. If you don't have email login set up, you can click the Log in Manually link and use your credentials. If you have any questions or encounter any login issues, please contact your administrator. Now that you are logged in, you should assign yourself a role and start shift. If you are not shown this screen after logging in, simply click your profile icon on the top right-hand corner to open it. Back on your profile page, under My Roles, click the Assign link next to the role or roles you will be performing today. The new role will then be listed under Current Roles. Simply click Start Shift and you are all set. After starting your shift, you will see a screen like this. The app features are accessible via these menus on the left sidebar. If you don't see these on your screen, it's probably due to your permission levels. Please talk to your administrator. Now, let's take a brief look at each menu. The first menu is Incidents. An incident is an urgent and often unplanned event that requires immediate attention, like a security alert. Here, you'll see a list of active incidents relevant to your assigned roles. Click an incident to see further details, including a location map. If you are a responder of an incident, you may be asked to participate. Providing your response will allow others to see if you are available to attend. If you are permitted to raise an incident, you will see this tab. Click it and then select a shortcut. And you will see a form to enter the required information. Once done, click Submit and it will send a notification to responders. More information about these menus will be covered in later videos, so let's move on to the directory. The directory menu gives you fast access to people and roles across your organization. You can search for contacts by name or role, or use filters to further refine your search. Tap any entry to see more details about the individual, role, or group. From here, you can directly start a call or a chat. Any temporary information that has been added about the contact will be indicated by a Notes icon. Hover over it to quickly read the note. That's how the directory makes it easy to connect and stay informed. Next, we have Chat, our two-way communication method. You can see and hear a new chat message arrive. Click the pop-up to read the message, or you can go to the Chat menu and click any existing message to read its history and reply. To start a new chat, click this icon. You can start a direct chat with one person or add multiple people for a group chat. When you are ready, just type your message and hit send. That is how you use the chat feature. The next item is Pager. Pager lets you receive one-way broadcast messages, similar to a traditional pager. You will receive a notification when you are sent a page. Click the pop-up to read the message. From the Pager menu, you can see the list of messages you've received. A blue dot means that the message is unread. Just click to view the full message. These messages are typically sent by a central hub or administrator to a group or role. If you have permission to send pages, you will see this icon. Click it, select the recipients, and send your message. That's how you use Pager. The next item is Tasks. A task is a defined piece of work for a person to action, such as a room clean or a medical consult. Right away, you can see that tasks are categorized under these four groups. Raised are tasks that you created. Accepted are tasks have already accepted to work on. Available are the ones in your team's queue, ready for you to accept. And informed are tasks that have been sent to you for information. Once you have accepted a task, there are few actions that will help you inform others with your progress. These are explained in our task management video. If you are privileged to do so, you will see this button to create a new task. Click it and select the task type you require, and the form for information will be displayed. Fill the form and click Create Task. It will send a notification to recipients. Our last menu is Assets. Assets refer to physical equipment and devices with tags or sensors, such as wheelchairs, duress tags, and fridges. You can search for assets by name or use filters to refine your search. Click any asset to see more information about it, such as its current location, status, and whether there are any breaches. For example, the temperature rising beyond a certain point on a medication fridge is a breach, and the status, temperature, will be shown with a red alert and relevant roles notified. We have now reached the end of our Linq Web Overview. If you are an administrator, you'll see the Admin menu after the Assets menu, but we will cover that in a later video. Thank you for watching this video.